To all of them out there when they listen to us live and direct. Yes, another Wednesday don't land on top your door water. When we don't tell them I say from 3, go reach 4 o'clock. Now better life a relative point and I go there with us. Time don't land on top your door water. And I give you the time for better life. Better life with relative point estate and relative point limited. Yes, don't they for inside the studio. And Chichi there here with the Sack Your Landlord gang. Anytime I see this gang, guys, you go not say time garbage for you to use broom, use packer, use water, use everything. Sweep your landlord come up for your corner because of course with the Sack Your Landlord gang and a better life don't they guarantee for you. On top your number 101 best station, Last Giddy 90.1 FM. Correct afternoon with the Sack Your Landlord gang, Deborah Adejana and Tommy Vincent Esquire.
Now well done.
Esquire.
Person we run come up for choir.
You
go back.
Barrister.
It go back.
Of the Federal Republic.
Person we run come up go back.
Why you dey humble yourself?
Go back. Go back.
No, they humble yourself.
I beg. My to they swear.
Yes, of course, with better life, now better Totorita with a guarantee on live and direct on top of Last Giddy 90.1 FM. And in case you wonder who they bring from that better life, now Relative Point Limited. Relative Point. And yes, Sack Your Landlord gang. Make you know they doubt her, no they wonder. And the voice in that them every Wednesday from 3 go reach 4 o'clock.
Better life.
I qualify.
No be small.
Nine be our slogan. Anytime when you call us, anytime when you send us a message, of course. Now better life you go first holler and we go answer. I qualify. Or we go holler, better life and you go answer. I qualify. Anyone, better life you qualify. Today on top better life. If you follow us for money, when we don't open my till 5 o'clock. Sometime around 6:30, we've been bringing our usual tips and we talk about something very important. Finances, aka money. We talk about ego, kudi, owo.
That's so.
You know, say life without money, you know, to the balanced. And from that 6:30, we talk about how to cut down on expenses. And so many people listen to us, so many people like, really, I know they feel safe, especially for the kind of economy where I find myself for inside Nigerian economy to be precise. Make we talk with our full chest for the economy within inside Nigeria. Today on top better life, we're going to talk about money wahala, kudi wahala, issue of owo, how you take they handle them, how you take they save money, how you take they arrange your finances, is they balanced, how many fingers you they use take chop. Now 10 you they use, now 20. I been a 5, now 1, I been 2. Maybe just leave out for the Sack Your Landlord guy. When they take an explanation and for us, you committed the thing well. Explain what did they mean on top, how many fingers did they use to the chop?
You know, say thank you, Chichi. For our listeners there, thank you. We thank now. Now, how many fingers will we get for our hands? So now 10, Abi. Now in what they call 100%. So person will be say if we can equate these fingers to the thing where they enter your pocket, person where they chop everything where they enter in pocket, where we say you don't get anyone where he keep aside, whether for rainy day or for day where they no too far where. Now that person they eat with all in 10 fingers, Kwano. Now all in 10 fingers they eat like that. So now how much do they can save for waiting they enter your pocket? Now you go determine how many fingers will you they take chop. For our Instagram handle earlier today to announce this program, the media team be design something where we say one guy hold burger for hand like this, hold another thing, then hold chicken for one hand like that. Then you see say all in fingers they busy. He must have day food. That guy, he dey eat even past just 100 fingers. Past 10 fingers. I tell you, he dey chop the life of his head, no be small. So, wetin we wan ask today be say because to get better life, remember when we talk last week, you go get sense. To get better life, person no fit dey eat with all the 10 fingers. So we wan ask people today, how many fingers you dey take chop? Na 10 or na less? If na 10, why? Wetin happen wey be say you no fit keep something aside? And if na less than that, how you take dey do am wey be say you dey take keep something aside? Na you wan hear from people mouth today. So that maybe towards the end of the program, we will come give them idea, suggestion as to how we too been think say, you fit dey use less than 10 fingers to take chop. May I tell you one story? You know, say I dey do seminar where. So a lot of times when I do seminar on financial freedom, financial education, financial empowerment, financial intelligence like that, I mean they ask people for a whole class. Sometimes class go be 100 or more or less. I go ask them, how many of us here don't ever open savings account? We be say when you go open that account that time, you tell yourself say I want to dey save. You dey shock you for body whether you don't hear program like this or so. You tell yourself I want to dey save, and the way you think about it na to go open savings account. You go open savings account finish. I will come ask them, how many of us be say that savings account wey we open that time, e still dey alive now? Or you still dey use and dey save? No be say then you open savings account then give you ATM, you don go collect the money finish. Me, I get one funny experience like that. I come dey ask people for seminar, say how many of us no get that kind account wey we don abandon, we don withdraw and finish? Shame no go allow us go there say we wan close am because we know wetin we leave there no be anything. When they carry that one dey go. How many of us? Do you know that most of the time it is almost 90 to 100% of the people wey say dem open savings account like I did go also raise up their hand and say they don go withdraw am. You know they work like that. So how e come be wey be say we find am easy to take our 10 fingers to the chop? Na im be the discussion for today.
Now wow, this one is very, very deep. And Barrister Tommy, make we just ask you something. You know, in Nigeria and our country be like say don't knock us with plenty wahala, from recession down to employment increase in unemployment. Then even businesses can't even suffer the most last year because of this COVID-19 pandemic wey hit us. And we see they try to recover from am. Now anybody fault if he come and tell you say na 10 fingers he say the chop?
Make I tell you, it's not discipline. If you know fit say the day of 1,000, you go to fit say the day of 100,000. You say na discipline. To save no dey easy because it no be amount of money we get. You get some mama will be say they they make money reach. That's why they talk say many of guys wey dey ride car, their driver reach past them because their driver they save every time. From that money you go buy land for Songota. My guy wey dey earn 1 million, 2 million go dey live for Ikoyi on rent. And they go to say, sir, who can be sir? No be driver be the guy of the owner of the car. Because to save, no be about the situation. Now discipline of mind. To know say anything where you get, do I have a culture where say I go save? See, better life, no be say when emergency they happen. See, life they happen.
What if emergency no happen?
How you take do am? I never see that person. Where emergency never visit.
Because it just must happen. So you just have to have the discipline. Say I will save, and you know, so not be only because of economy. In fact, some people now inside that bad economy they buy the flashiest thing because at that time we see the thing way cheap. This way we say okay, I make I buy them now. Make I tell one story for my own self. You get when I first come up for start work like this, I dey buy one land for one area for Ikotun area. Ikotun area. That land na 50,000 where I buy. 50,000. 50,000. May I come buy. Around that same time, I see B2 car. And that one na I want to show my friends say me too I don't get car. I want to show my sister so I don't get car. Guess what happen? I sell my land, go buy B2 car.
But listen, show them now.
Show them, right? The B2 nearly kill me. See my face, yo. The land did not reach 22 million now.
How much the B2 reach now?
Achawa.
No, whether the B2 not reach 23.
See, because where they go be say, now inside this kind of economy, if you see some people they see there, I mean, see this economy way bad. If you need to see the kind of eateries where they open now,
as if they go chop.
So no be economy.
No be even eatery. No be. You know wetin they open past now. Pub.
pub
or wetin they call am joint or
Joint.
lounge. If you see the rate wey all
Not-
these lounge
see,
dey open
see.
Some
now,
people they go there.
of course now.
whether to go quench sorrow or to I no
Of
even know
course
wetin
now.
dey happen.
Person go open get pallet.
So-
Somebody go use the 10 fingers go chop.
Of course now.
I tell you, chopping quality, chopping life.
Still say COVID-19 dey protocol dey. People see they do party, see they do
On top of am.
Ashwebi.
On top of everything.
Buy this one, buy that one. If you no pay, if you no bring money for Ashwebi, you go become beefing by wahala. See, na culture. You have to know the mentality. Na better life because tomorrow now, all the people they take buy, follow buy Ashwebi, where they take go lounge, do this one.
When they do relationship.
When it didn't happen, now you go there on your own.
Make I join barrister. See say if you give yourself reason why you no go save, you go find am plenty o. You go find am plenty, and like he talk, saving no be say e equal to wetin I dey earn. Say when I get big money, person wey no fit save for small money, e no go save for big money. E no be about big money or na about discipline and management of money. When you get that sense wey be say you know say money get as person dey manage am, you no go be your problem say you no go dey chop with all your 10 fingers.
Better life no be say every time we go dey beg money about.
Now wow, this the matter when I carry cut to the better life with the sack your landlord girl. Now really table shaking. Una can't really shake the table of some people, and we go really love and make some people for tune in. Call us. Our phone lines all they open 0700 901 901 901. 9 be the number we need to tell us on top. Or you send us a message on top 090 94 901 901. You know as it they go. When you call us, we go holla for you better life, and all you need to do now to answer us, I qualify. And when you answer us, you will go straight to the point. You go tell us you dey chop with 10 fingers. And you know they chop with 10 fingers, and then you go tell us why. Our circular Lord gang. You just hear one kind of advert now. 1,000 naira.
Yes, so.
1,000.
Yes, so. You see the other guy, so.
You dey joke with
He dey chop in land.
Hey!
He dey chop in land because the thing wey he buy for that table pass 1,000 wey he dey chop so. That's why the other guy dey advise am say, so that's why we talk say look, it's not about say I no get or I get. Na about financial intelligence. Like that person now, how many people wey be say if dem fit dey put 1,000 aside, dem no go feel am every day. Dem fit dey put am aside. Maybe since like 10 years ago, dem don reach that level wey be say dem fit dey put 1,000 aside. If we ask them how much 10 million equal now, I mean 1,000 naira equal daily now for 10 years ago, that would be like, I think it shouldn't be less than about 6 million naira thereabout. Now, if you ask that person whether he get 6 million naira somewhere, where he save somewhere, or where he don't use take do something, he no get. Why? Because he no get that wisdom wey be say he go dey put small money wey no even touch him body aside.
Sure.
Or whether na like me those days, na one bank he go open the account and then he carry himself after some time he carry himself go pack the money go at ten d to one emergency, say promise himself say he go save am back, and he never visit the bank again. You know, so na sense e be.
But anyway, of course, we don't tell you about the matter where we get on top of the points. 1,000 naira every day, and for 5 days, abi? 5 days.
Yes, 5 days. Yes.
For 48 months.
Yes.
And you can become a landlord.
Half plot of land,
Half
you get it in an estate too. Wey be say na go form community development.
Landlord association.
Yes, landlord association. And inside that 1,000 wey you put so, small money dey. Small money dey wey be say you don put there for infrastructure, road, take do the. Na well established estate. Gate dey, everything dey there.
You go put your stick for mouth, put your wrapper for waist.
Shey, after you retire,
come carry the photo, put am for hand like
that.
come radio, we come call meeting, you go meeting.
You get to the
go landlord meeting.
0700 901 901 901 0700 901 901 901. 9 be the number where you need to call us on top right about now. Tell us, you dey chop with 10 fingers, meaning say you dey save Have you they chop the life of your head? Or if you send us a message on top 09094901901. No fear, tell us the truth. Open your chest, tell us with your heart. Because the suck your landlord gang go day here to explanation how you go fit in remedy this matter where you they go through. Our phone lines they both left, right, and center. Most Saturday take calls. Better life.
I qualify.
Hello. Better life.
You know,
Network.
Network will qualify you.
Abi?
Mom.
Better life.
Reduce your
Hey,
radio.
I beg when you they call us, try as much as possible to reduce the volume of your radio set so that we go fit hear you. I beg reduce them. Or you work come out sharp. 0700-901-901-901.
Better life. Great.
Who there with us? Let it be anywhere they call us from. Hey.
Whoa.
Wow. And he just come with ginger to talk. I beg. Try make you call us back. 0700-901-901-901.
Better life.
You qualify. Better life, oh.
Good afternoon. Hey, you go answer us. I qualify.
Better life. Yes, so you qualify.
What if you know where they call us from? All right. So, Madam, I beg you, they chop with your 10 fingers. I mean, not they chop with your 10 fingers. Ah.
How many they take chop so?
Hey, my sister, reduce the volume of your radio set. Reduce our bed. Hello? Reduce the radio set or reduce your radio set. You want deaf our ear. We don't hear you now. What? You say you know they chop with 10 fingers.
So
Tell
you
us
they
why.
save that, Abi?
So how many fingers you they chop with?
Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, now it be like say na finger literally madam they talk about. But wetin we dey ask we say you dey save from money wey dey reach your hand. You get some wey you dey keep aside small. Abi na everything you dey spend. Okay, so you get savings.
Yes, like when you get the 1,000 naira,
Mm.
you will make sure that inside 1,000 naira,
Mm.
you will remove 100 naira
Mm.
and put it aside.
Okay.
Then you will remove another one
Okay.
and put it aside.
Okay.
Then you will keep the remaining one.
Okay.
Maybe for your eating and other things that you want to do.
Okay.
You can dip your hand inside that 100 naira
Okay.
and start spending it small.
Okay.
Use it extravagantly.
Okay.
So because when you finish, nobody will give you.
Wow. Madam, na business you dey do, abi you be salary person? Na all join. Better life.
You qualify.
Your head dey there.
And they say you break them down.
You qualify.
You break them down.
Your head dey there. He
All
say na all.
right. Thanks a bunch.
Better life. Better life.
You qualify.
You qualify, oh. We dey.
I know. What if you are where they call us from? All right.
Wow.
Oga, tell us, you dey chop with your 10 fingers.
Mm. 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 Mm.
So when you have money, you have to plan for that money because the one you eat finish today, tomorrow you don't get them again.
Mm. Mm.
And money is not easy to get.
Mm.
Sometimes some people tell you, sew your coat according to your clothes.
Mm. Mm.
Shed money into three.
Okay.
two parts, you manage the other one part.
Wow. Wow.
Because you don't know whether other one is coming tomorrow. If other one is not coming tomorrow, you follow that.
Wow. Wow.
So people will say how to trust their shares, say they are man. I'm a woman, I'm a man of authority, I'm a woman of authority. Money speak, authority quench.
Whoa.
If you did not have money, a man that have no money is a dead man.
Whoa.
So you have to be very, very careful the way you spend, because when you have money, yes, woman will love you, your wife will love you. When you call her once like this, will answer 2 or 3 times.
Ah,
Now in that they call no romance without finance.
So you have to be very, very well in the mind of you.
but Oga, I want to ask you something. No? What if you say the way things be for our country now? Like you said, children day, everything day.
You feel they spend 1/3. So where you go keep,
They spend 1/3.
where you go keep 2/3?
I say as the things they for this country now, we be say things don't dey pafuka in that sense. Say economy no dey together. So should they save 1/3?
You feel they save money even with our economic situation?
That's the thing that we have to save money.
I hear you.
Because if you don't save money, you don't know tomorrow.
I hear you. I hear you. Okay.
Because things are very nice. That's the reason if you want to eat all you have at hand. In fact, at the end, you will sorry for yourself.
I hear you. I hear you.
True. Your head did there.
Thanks so much. Thanks so
Your
much.
head did there. You know,
We'll celebrate you.
Choba said something wey be say it dey important. He said even na time like this, na time as e be how we dey now, wey things dey hard. Na him people suppose save pass sef.
They try to
Because-
say people save part
yes.
because they harder for us.
Yes, because he say right now if you no get where you go fall back on your own, there is hardly anybody wey you go meet now, carry your own matter go meet, wey go even lis ten to you, because the one wey dem dey deal with
He pass
the
your own.
one wey you dey bring come.
He pass your
So
own.
this is even in the hard time, as
Abeg.
time hard so, na im better make people save well.
Honestly, I go tell you before we even come. Make I tell you where we say, make people develop that culture. You see, better life be say you are ready for the emergency, or they call them exigencies. You dey ready. No be say every time wetin happen, now you go borrow. Now you go
One
look for
one brother.
I mean,
But sometimes wahala dey plenty o.
that
Wahala dey. Most still take
Na
off.
you born wahala.
Hello. Better life. What
Madam.
if your name where they come us from?
My name is Blessing.
From Ikorodu. Blessing, you dey chop with 10 fingers?
Hey, blessing, na salary job you dey do abi na business? Na salary. E don get anytime blessing wey wetin you dey collect reach you. E don get anytime wey wetin you collect reach you. E be abi. So now you no dey fit save, but you don save before when e reach you abi. I dey hear you.
best we go talk about them
Thanks a
because
bunch.
you have to know that no be say
So
wetin
the
dey.
one wey they even dey get no dey reach am. So you dey go dey chop with 11 fingers.
And na true.
They chop the 10,
Na
go
true.
borrow one join.
Na true.
Think about it. Hello.
Better life. True.
Yes,
Qualify no be small.
Tell us your name, where you dey call us from. From Ikpaja. All right. Uche, you dey chop with 10 fingers?
True. Uche. We
But
know.
you dey chop with 10 fingers.
Expenses. Not true. Not true. Not true.
Mm.
All right. Thanks a bunch. You know, he know what he do now. He do am in a psychedelic way. He no talk say.
He dey the same for
He
you.
say he good. So
Make-
don't
make
make
he-
person no chop it.
Make he about-
The way the situation be.
Na him make am.
In other words, use your mouth at your teeth.
Say.
All right, try make you call us back 0700 901 901 901. Or you better make you send us a message, SMS or WhatsApp on top 090 94 901 901. Better life.
You qualify.
You
Oh.
qualify. You qualify.
You try, my brother. You try.
He waiting.
He said he pledged to qualify.
He pledged to qualify. Na him say they talk with their fingers.
What if you are there where they call us from, my brother? Nah, she be this. Bato.
Na regular caller.
Nah, Bato, tell us with your full chest. You dey chop with your 10 fingers.
Say, okay. Give us. Mm. 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 Mm.
You're safe.
Great. Idea. Mm. They do this saving. Mm.
All
Okay.
right. Thanks a bunch, Bato.
They
Say you
listen
call
well,
us. You go want to explain them now, or
Make
we
a-
could
make
just
a-
take more calls?
Well, if we still get calls, maybe we take
Okay.
them so that
And
we go
because-
join everything together.
Exactly, because a lot of people now don't even send messages, and now
Yeah.
this kind of line, now the question, they go. The
Okay.
same question we ask. Hello? Better life.
Abby,
Good afternoon. What if you know where they call us from? Yes, over there, hear you, blah, blah. Okay.
chook mouth. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Hello, blessing. Oh, blah blah, you go try make you move small for where you dey. Move small, move small. Network dey disturb. Hello. Oh.
And they like wetin she dey talk
She dey
go.
go to-
She say look at that during that lockdown for last year so. And a lot of people could not earn again. In like 1 month or 2 months, a lot of people life don go back to zero.
I dey tell you.
From 100, e just go zero
We dey
in
here.
1 month.
We dey here.
And wetin she talk, e say even when you dey chop sometimes, you dey remain. You know say when I dey young, for Yoruba side they go say shotiyo. Shotiyo mean say you don full. For pidgin they go say you don belle full. You know say na as a child I interpret that thing literally. Meaning say if you ask me say I don full, mean say I don full sotey I no fit eat again. Na you dey ask. So I never dey full. Then they call me obelawo. You know wetin they call obelawo? Person wey like food.
Oh,
Pass me ajeku.
Jacob.
Jeku. Person wey like food. When people remain food, na you dey go pass am to because I no know. Na later as I dey grow, na I realize say come o. Abele food no be say I don chop wey say e don reach my throat wan comot. If you say the thing where I chop don't do me, no, I don't decide say this one don't do me. No be say I full stomach won't burst. Now so that woman talk say even as you dey chop, now you go decide say this one don't do me. So no be say that's why Yoruba will say now no be omo yo as in child you belleful. No, now child you don't chop. No be but nobody want hear whether you don't belleful. That's the sense that brings about that makes you to be able to save.
Child.
That sense wey be say no be you don't full now you don't chop.
till
Exactly.
you
Once you don't chop.
when you're at least when you know say you don't tell yourself say
So,
na here
this is where I can afford.
Some of us don't know if say no be only about chopping. It's about even living.
Yes, I mean, everything.
Some of us, the amount we dey pay for our NEPA bill, the amount because you know they control your consumer.
Prepaid don dey teach people some sense now.
No dey control the amount wey dey take the boss suppose waka.
Exactly. Nigerians
You go take Okada, 100 naira go, 100 naira come, 100 naira this one. Before you know it, 1,000 don become 50 naira for your hand. You know,
Chichi, you see that waka wey you talk, na it make me remember. You see this country, we don spoil ourselves small for some areas. So, if you send Nigeria go one place wey be 100 meter now, e go carry Okada
150.
You won't carry Okada 100 naira or take bus enter am. I dey talk with one lady for over a weekend wey be say she stay like about 2.5 years or so for Japan. She dey study there. She say for that side, because me I never reach Japan before, say e get some places sef wey be say e dey restricted. Cars no even fit reach there. They expect you make you park for other places, make you waka. Says that they waka a lot because of those kind of places and they feel more healthy. Ask Nigerians now to go one place like that, they go they ask for taxi or to they ask for Okada or to they ask for Uber, and you dey spend, you go to come say transport money don't climb. Place where you suppose trek
to save money.
especially for evening or morning.
you know. So when people they ask say where I fit get money to save in this thing, now these small areas where we they mention, now they suppose they look. Wetin I dey wear, wetin I dey chop, wetin I dey spend on transport, wetin I dey spend to put on light, to put off light for my house. Some people go put on AC for their house, they no dey the room. I think prepaid meter don dey teach some people small lesson
Not
now.
everybody still gets now.
Now.
Some people go come say that they give the estimated bill, but I will say that they chop for
For the
If you
meter.
check, they get air fryer, they get deep freezer,
Then everything they get,
they get iron,
and then they use
they
them
get
all.
boiler.
Shey.
All of But anyway, in case you don't wonder what they listen to right about now better life where they come to you live and direct from Realty Point Limited with the Sack Your Landlord Gang. Information still the way you need to hear about. With 1,000 naira, something better feel land for your domot when they come back. Yes, in case you don't wonder what they listen to now better life when they come to you from Realty Point Limited. With the Sack Your Landlord gang. And of course, Chi they here with them. You see that gang.
Yes, gang.
Very soon now we go so crazy up for this one. Don't forget if you catch Realty Point Limited on Instagram, then they're at Realty Point Ltd. Realty as in REALTY POINT. That is Realty Point together. You call under with LTD. Follow them on top Instagram, follow them on top Facebook, then they there. And on top YouTube, one of our Sack Your Landlord gang, they at Debo at Dejana. So go there on top YouTube so that you go fit, you know, go miss out on all the better things we carry the come with. And of course, our Esquire, they there too on top Instagram.
Adeya.
Tommy Vincent.
Ade.
Ide.
I no go.
Facebook is still there. Facebook and Instagram is there at Tommy Vincent. So go follow him right about now.
You don't qualify now.
You don't qualify for social media. All right, if you check your time, 46 minutes. Don't come up for inside 3 o'clock. Time not be our friend again. At all. But we still get some people they send messages. We see messages for our SMS. We see messages from top our WhatsApp. But make we just give time to one of our Sack Your Landlord gang, Mr. Debo. Make he explain to us about this 1,000 naira. What is all about?
So
and people they shout, call your number, call their numbers.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, well, make I call the numbers where they suppose call. Make them take no more about this. They fit call those numbers now. 080 90 63 4766. Make I call am again. 080
080
90
90
63
60
no 63
63
47
47
66.
66.
The other number be
The other number
080
080
58
58
89
89.
97
Oh yeah.
64.
Aha.
You dey do as if say pastor dey preach, you dey interpret, or afar dey preach and then. Okay, so that 1,000 naira, for example, some people dey ask how dem dey take save. One thing wey person suppose know with saving be say, saving the way I dey teach am, e no be end in itself. We are not saying just be saving, just be saving, just be saving. No, saving na means to an end. Wetin oyibo dey call means to an end. Meaning say why you dey save na because of something. You dey save towards something. For example, this kind land now, if you dey save, if you the way how you go save, instead of you putting that money in the bank and going to convince yourself after 6 months to collect am, if you don start this kind of land arrangement wey you dey do, you know say after the completion of the period, you go get land. You know, and that is what you are saving towards. You are saving towards sacking your landlord. So e get many people get wetin dem dey call target savings. Na one way wey people fit dey save be that. This type of land now, for example, na estates wey be say people come together, fence go dey there, road go dey, drainage go dey, na go dey do village meeting there, landlord association meeting. You understand? And very secure place. You go get your half plot if you wan do 1,000. If na 2,000 you wan do daily, you go get full plot for that same period for that place. Na Agbara area na in the place dey now. Call those numbers. I mean, they go take you through any other question wey you want, any other thing wey you want. E better make you sack your landlord. This na one of the way wey you go take sack am, and we go still teach you small ways wey be say 1,000 you go dey comot am because you go don block some holes for your life wey e dey go before.
We see these questions for here. We get a lot of questions on ground. This one say, I qualify. Good afternoon. On our topic today, they very, very interesting and casual. I dey guilty of say I dey chop with my 10 fingers. I be monthly earner, and I'm not happy about this menace. What TikTok. John send this one from Lagos. He said, please advise me, I dey beg. Thank you. We go come
Tommy,
to
okay.
Una say, una well done. Oh. My name is Simon from Ikorodu. I beg if person they collect 27,000 as monthly salary, how that person fit save? No last kiddy, no radio. Blessing can say, una good afternoon, and they send this one from Owolara. He said, it is very good to keep money, but the way things they go on for this country, now God, now go help us. No last giddy, no radio. We see this one for here. He said, una good afternoon, better life I qualify. Una well done for the great work una they do. Please, I know they chop with my 10 fingers, but I find it very difficult to save extra money. But I be want and I wish to be saving money to the extent say I won't buy colo that's piggy bank, so I can be saving. Although I do contribution of 3,000 naira every week 3 years ago. I go add the money of contribution to my business, but I still want to be saving extra again. Now why I buy this piggy bank? Since last month when I buy this colo, now only 5,000 naira I don't contribute for inside the colo because expense is too much for me. I spend every week, especially on transportation. So I want to know how I feel they able to save more than the contribution. That is the adjunct 3,000 naira.
Yeah.
What don't they do now? Wumi, I send this one from Ikorodu.
Wow.
This is a person where he paid.
Wow.
He pain and he dey serious. She don't even take good steps.
Wow.
Aduni from Lagos saying, Lasgidi, good afternoon. I love your program. Die. A day without Lasgidi, day incomplete. My sister, this topic you bring today, e no easy. I dey chop everything.
Hey,
Tell me how much is my salary with 2 kids, plus house and other bills. It's only God that can help me. Now what help me? Good afternoon. Person when they earn low salary at the end of the month, you patronize una. I came from AJ City. He said, better life, I qualify. He said, better life, I qualify. Good afternoon. Okay, we don't read the Wumi on. He said, please, can they call their number on the advert? Okay, they're too far. They don't call them for you, but if you call them again.
We go call them before the end of the show.
Greetings, he said, call everyone in the studio. I just listen to the program and they learn so much from it. Better life, I qualify. All right, maybe we just sharply just enter this one. Many of them I don't talk say they chop with 10 fingers. And not be saying we won't chop with 10 fingers. Now situation, cause I beg, time not be our friend. Break and down for them.
Time no be our friend. I make I just tell them. be like say we will continue this thing next week.
Okay.
Maybe we take break and down where for them. Make them take understand. But you see, that is it Wunmi wey don dey do contribution before 3,000. Now good thing and now one way be that way person. Let me tell you one secret. Anybody wey wan save, number one, like Barrister Tomi said before, now mindset. All this one say na 27,000 they collect, na 5,000 they collect. If you dey collect less, you no go kill yourself. Now the mindset wey you don get, say 27,000, no dey do. That's why you dey finish spend am. If that 27,000, if na 26 dey reach your hand, they save 1,000. You don start somewhere. But one secret, one mindset, number one. So most people wey say that they eat with 10 figures, they need to change their mindsets. About any reason wey dem dey give there, make dem know say na excuse. E no follow. Because if you no save when you dey collect 27,000, guess what? You will find reason when you dey collect 100 wey you no go save. That's the truth of the matter.
Why you feel so?
Na so life be. Because na as your bill dey increase, if you no consciously take decision, na so your appetite or your go dey increase. Now you go dey say, me I cannot no at this level I cannot go and buy, I cannot be wearing this type of cloth again. Now this type of designer, or I cannot be eating in that Benue place again. Na eatery, you know, things like that. You go they change your level and at cost. When you go eatery where AC they blow you go pay for the AC now. You know, versus book away they go before. So now so that one be mindset number one. Number two, if you can devise a means or follow a system by which before the money reach your hand, you don't separate them. The one where they go savings no go even come your hand. And that one better for people where they work, where we say that they get salary. Or people where they run their own business, but then don't grow the business, where we say they get account department. They fit instruct their bank or their HR for their office, say, please, I have this type of whatever. Maybe they even join cooperative. Cooperative dey scatter for ground where we say you go research am, the one way good, where we say they for themselves well, that they do well. Go join them, say, I beg from my office, so this money, remove 5,000 from my money every month. No pay am into my account. Send them to this account of this cooperative where I join. So now wait till they say that. Or people where they do adjust, that person where they do contribution for market talk. Abi? Yeah.
Those ones, you go see some people. You get one man where I know. Nah, what do you call him? Organizer. Now 3 different savings they do every day.
Every day.
One person go come for money, he go give am probably like 200 naira. Another person go come for afternoon. Go give am like 300 500 naira. One woman get one day where I just dey around that person. How many times they save per day? He said that 3 times. Of course. By the time when you pack money come out from your pocket, sometimes not to buy this one, buy yum this one, buy yum that one. Many people get the means of saving.
They try talk say even for this Lagos.
Of course now.
With 20,000 person fit save.
Now mindset. That person wait say with 20,000. If na 19,000, wait now. If na 19,000 in they collect now, he no go die. That's why it be mindset. So you they collect 20 now. You don't say he no do me. But if na 19, then they pay you. You no go die. So why not call more than 1,000? Take your mind, say yourself. Now 19 and they collect.
Now even 16 and they collect.
Because that's look, person where they say na person where raise hand. Now in then they lift.
And they call delay gratification.
Now person where raise hand, now in then they lift. When you do some business, if they want loan you money, they go say, go bring your own deposit. There is nothing way good for this life where you want to do. Where be say they no go ask for your own contribution. If you no can't get anywhere where you go feel reach that one, how you go see help?
See, as
people where they get help, now people will be say they don't do their own part. You do your own part by saving.
I beg, because some of our friend, if you look at 56 minutes, don't come up for inside 3 o'clock, and it go be like saying, here we go, match break on top, better life.
Make I just shock you before you finish. Even me, I get piggy bank.
You get Kolo?
I tell you, I start one piggy bank challenge about 4 weeks or so ago. They can watch it on my YouTube channel. I get Kolo.
It be like say by next week when you come back, you go start.
I go bring my piggy bank.
I beg.
I
You
go bring
carry
am
am
next
come
week.
here
I go
because
carry
first
am.
of all now, if you never download our app, make you rush, use speed now, download our app. Because from there you go fit just check the video. If you carry piggy bank and drop am for here, you go run go see wetin the follow of piggy bank and how it dey plan. It's not too late to start.
It's
At
not
all,
so.
at
I beg,
all.
for the benefit of those people who no still get the number, where they go fit take the save this year 1,000 and to become landowner.
Yes,
I
sir.
beg call am for them.
And Chichi.
080 90 63 4766. That na one. Another one 080 589 99764. Those are the two numbers.
And Chichi, better life, no dey drop. Now you go create am.
Exactly. Oh.
Better life,
Exactly.
now you go create am.
Exactly.
So today, start saving. Believe say you get power to save. No matter the condition, just put am in your mind say I go save. Better life oh.
I
you qualify. Call these numbers. They put 1,000. You don't they get land
You
with
know
that.
they get like that.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sakiolalo gang, of course, and Mr. Debo Adejana, and Esquire, Mr. Tommy Vincent. Una to try.
I won't go back quiet now.
By next week, Wednesday by 3 o'clock, of course, we go there here live and direct. So, such all the better information one need on top better life, how to make your life better. But from we to una way they are then.